Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived an old Zen master renowned for his wisdom. People from far and wide sought his guidance. One day, a curious student approached the master and asked, "Master, what is the secret to patience? How can one remain calm in the face of adversity?" The wise master smiled and invited the student into his humble tea room. He began pouring tea into the student's cup. However, he didn't stop when the cup was full. The tea continued to pour, spilling over the edges and onto the saucer. The student, astonished, exclaimed, "Master, the cup is full! It can't hold any more tea." The master paused, still holding the teapot in midair, and said, "Just like this cup, your mind is full of preconceptions, judgments, and impatience. How can you receive the teachings of patience when your mind is already overflowing?" The student pondered on the lesson as the master cleaned the spilled tea. After a moment, the master continued pouring tea into the cup. This time, the student watched with a clear and calm mind. The tea filled the cup, and the master stopped pouring. The cup was full, but this time, no tea spilled over. The master explained, "Patience is not the absence of challenges or overflowing emotions. It is the ability to remain calm and clear-minded, no matter how full your life becomes. Fear is like the overflowing tea, a result of a mind filled with anxiety about what might happen. Patience, on the other hand, is the capacity to embrace each moment with a calm and open heart." The student left the tea room with a newfound understanding. From that day forward, he approached life's challenges with patience, knowing that a mind at peace can navigate even the most turbulent waters. In this Zen tale, the overflowing teacup serves as a metaphor for the cluttered and fearful mind. The lesson is that true patience comes from a place of inner calm and clarity, not from a mind filled with fear and anxiety.